almost like prisoners. We lose track of time.
Right now, during the COVID pandemic, I'm taking some online learning with Rabbi Shaps in the afternoons.
It's been really, really nice to be able to learn on a weekly basis, both through food and thought, as well as one-on-one learning opportunities.
Since we've been on forced social distancing and required to stay home and in our offices, I've had the opportunity to participate in many more classes.
This has been helpful to me during the current time, just because with my family stranded outside of the country, it is nice to have a group to be a part of and to have weekly events to look forward to.
Being connected to us during COVID was especially meaningful, as we can rely on your classes continuing every day and know that you're there for all of us.
So having this constant in my life was actually kind of therapeutical.
The classes are a way to connect with other people, to learn Torah in a relaxed atmosphere.
Even more programming has been offered since the pandemic has taken force.
It's obviously gone online, but at the same time, it's kind of allowed me to continue connecting with those same people who I would see around the Shabbos table or in the living room.
Daily messages and always checking in on everyone.
During the pandemic, I had the chance to engage in some of the online classes.
I really benefited from all the programs. In particular, the Tuesday night food and thoughts. That's always a highlight of our week, and it's always great to come and learn. I've loved doing some one-on-one learning.
Rabbi Kaz, who has taken the time to get to know me on an individual level and to get to know kind of what I'm looking for, and he's really made an effort to gear the programming to make sure that it's at my level and that I'm getting the most out of it.
I also just wanted to take this moment to thank everyone who's involved with JET. Over the past couple of years, the organization has been absolutely integral to my growth and my journey through Judaism, and it's unexplainable, the relationships that I've been able to develop with the Shaps family, with the Gortzmans, with the Altenegas.
It's given me a sense of belonging. It's something to look forward to every week, a way to connect with other people, even when we're forced to spend time apart.
It gives me the opportunity to continue to connect with my community and with my Judaism, even through this crazy and hectic time.
Each class elicits a lot of discussion with friends and family about what was discussed in that class.
I think that's very important emotionally for us during this time.
It's been amazing and has really sort of provided me with some familiarity throughout the pandemic.
It's helped to draw inspiration from kind of past times that put the current situation into perspective, that maybe it's transitory, and to help try to see through it and be optimistic.
JET has made a difference because instead of enduring a plague, I am taking this opportunity to learn and grow.
I just want to say thank you so much for all of the work that you do and for all of the supports you provide for myself and the rest of the community here in Ottawa. It's amazing and it's irreplaceable. So thank you so much.
Thanks very much for everything, and very, very much appreciated.
Thank you for continuing to support us during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Thanks, Jet.